All right, we're going to Clafouti, which is a traditional French bakery patisserie here in the high desert of New Mexico. So we're going to be meeting with Anne and Philippe, who has traveled back and forth from France, but couldn't get New Mexico out of their heart. They've been here for 10 years, and now the lines are out the door for the best baguette in all of Santa Fe.
Bonjour, Sheldon.
Bonjour.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Bonjour, Sheldon.
Anne.
Hi.
Smells amazing in here.
Thank
You guys have been up early baking.
He's waking up early. I'm coming later.
I walked in the door and I was instantly like whisked away to France or something. How did you guys end up in Santa Fe?
We traveled a lot and we want another adventure. So we came in New Mexico. The first bakery we opened was in Albuquerque. It was crazy. We sold our bakery in France, take our 2 daughters. We didn't speak English.
Yeah.
We bought a Cuban bakery, which is nothing.
Yes.
And we start, yeah.
Did you visit any other states
No.
prior? So your first taste of America was New Mexico.
Yeah.
Yes.
People are so nice, so welcoming.
From what time do you get here in the morning?
2.
2 o'clock in the
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah.
Does anybody else make the bread?
No, only me.
Not even Anne.
Oh, no. No way. No way.
Where'd you learn to do bread first?
In France, 14 years old.
All I wanted to do at 14 was go fishing,
Oh,
or go
yeah.
surfing, or do whatever, but you wanted to make bread.
Yes. The baker is working the morning
Yeah.
and the afternoon is off. So it's good job.
Good job, huh? What are you looking for in a perfect dough?
Strong, the yeast is
yeast
work.
is good.
Is good,
It's
yeah.
strong.
Yes, it's elastic, yeah. It is good bread. Because sometimes you this,
Oh, it
it's
breaks.
broke, it
That's
break,
not a good
yes.
bread. That's not
No.
a good bread.
Yes. 1, 2, and after.
You're a master chef. Okay, so 1, 2.
This is good, but you know, don't scare.
Okay.
It don't cry. The
Yeah.
dog.
Oh, yeah,
Don't
yeah,
cry
yeah,
the
yeah.
dog.
It's not gonna bite me.
Push for this, push and yeah.
It has a
It's
head.
okay. Yeah.
I'll go back to washing
It's
dishes.
not,
chef.
it's
Okay.
not easy. Yeah. Perfect.
All right.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the signature. So
love
all the
baguette.
baker have the signature.
So you leave your mark on the bread by the way that you cut it.
Yes. One is easy. No,
Yeah,
no, not one.
Okay, I'm gonna
No,
do that
yeah,
3 now.
3 or 4.
Okay.
3. Yes.
Chef, what time is my break?
No break.
No break.
Never break. Okay. One more. And we need water for the crust and the color.
We were one of the youngest bakers in France because when we opened our first bakery, I was not even 19.
Oh,
Me
Wow.
22.
He was
Yeah.
22.
tell me about those times being 19 years old and owning a bakery.
It was hard, I have
Yeah.
to say, but I was the only one in the front and he was the only one in the back. We learned a lot.
Oh yeah. I worked 5 years, no
Day off.
So what are we gonna make next?
Next, we make millefeuille.
Milfouille,
This is custard.
custard.
This morning I bake the puff pastry. I bake. Take the
It's fast, huh? And vanilla.
spatule. So
Chef, you move
want
so
this?
fast. I see you sliding everywhere.
Yes.
You're here, you're there.
We need a work
Efficient,
fast.
yeah, work
You need
fast,
work
yeah.
For one, perfect. Yes, exactly. It's like the same construction, you know.
Oh yeah, drywall, like yeah,
Yes.
making drywall.
This is the fondant, like this.
Okay. If you take too long, it's gonna cool down. And
Yes, yeah, with the chocolate. Voila. Voila, chef.
Yeah. How did you both meet?
I think it was what we call in France a boom.
Boom.
It's like a little, friends
Party.
party
Yeah,
yeah,
where
yeah.
you dance.
So you're dancing.
We're dancing.
Dancing. And
Yes.
Jump to me.
Maybe.
What's the approach, yeah? Which way? And then after a few years of dating, you guys decided to...
We had a baby at 16.
At 16,
Yeah.
very
Charlotte
young.
was 30.
Okay.
Start a new adventure.
Start a new adventure in life.
Yes.
You had a friend that invited you to
Yes.
Albuquerque. So after that visit, you returned back to France
With
with
the
the
idea.
idea of maybe let's do a French
Yes.
bakery in
Yes.
New Mexico.
This is my favorite, bread and butter.
Bread, butter, jam. The best breakfast.
Oh, you can hear that. Look at that. The crust is amazing. The inside is so soft. This is world class.
And you dip in the coffee.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
right.
just show me
It's
where.
like what we call tartine in France. You dip in your coffee.
I can get used to that.
Yeah, the traditional breakfast in France.
This is the millefeuille,
Millefeuille, yeah.
Millefeuille, yes.
1,000 leaves, it's called, because of the layers.
big old bite.
It's a big one, yes.
Puff pastry is still crispy on top. It's like perfect amount of sweetness.
This is very popular in France.
Was there a bakery that you would go to as a kid?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and in France it's different. People go every day buying fresh bread.
It's not like you go to Costco and you
No,
go.
that's not the same.
Yeah.
People come 2 times a day. They come for the first baked bread on the morning,
Okay.
and they come on the afternoon to have a freshest baguette.
For the dinner.
It's a total different concept with the bread.
Yeah. Why return to Santa Fe and not Albuquerque?
To change again, huh? It was
Yeah.
just to,
It's more smaller.
a lot of different people from everywhere, a lot of arts, a lot of good food, and we are super happy.
Yeah.
So what happens when you go on vacation?
We closed.
Oh,
Every year we take usually,
5 weeks.
5 weeks
5
total.
weeks.
Huh?
It's good for
it's
the
good
staff.
for everyone else.
And for everyone, for the staff, for us, for everybody.
Walked around this whole place and I didn't see green chili.
If people ask, they can have green chili.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
do?
if they ask, we have some.
That's that Santa Fe hospitality.
Yeah,
huh?
you have to. And I love green chili too.
Oh,
I mean.
yeah. With the success of this expansion, maybe more locations? No, why no locations?
If you move, it's not possible to control 100%.
Your customers come
Yeah,
to
like
this
I
one
want to
spot,
see-
you
I want
want to
to
see
see.
them, right? Every customer that comes in, you greet them.
For me, it's very, very important. You know, those people come to you. Some of them come every day.
Yeah.
They're like family. It's
Yeah,
just
no,
like,
that's the tradition of
it's-
having a
yeah,
French
it's just-
bakery. It's
yeah,
every
yeah.
day. It's like fermentation, almost like sourdough. That is a master right there.